indicator of failure, because any nation or country that is divided against itself cannot succeed. We do not need democracy to cause the people to go out in divided polls. We need systems which are going to bind the people. We need systems which are going to bring out leaders that are going to represent the interests of the nation and not the interests of a party or a tribe or a democracy which they are trying to keep on the behalf of the United Nations. We do not want such system in Africa which defies and violates the embodiment of our identity, our values, and our culture. And that is why we say that the only way we can emerge in this whole conflict we are having in Africa today, we must learn as Africans to stop using what the West suggests to Africa. Where is democracy coming from? Democracy is coming from the United Nations, which keeps the double standard, like I keep saying, give you the impression that you are in control when yet somebody is behind you controlling your affairs. And that is why you realize that at the level of the UN National Security Council, you have 10 non-permanent members and 5 permanent members. The 5 permanent members are keeping a double standard, using the 10 permanent members as though as the ones that are going to vote and decide the decision for the United Nations. But yet, it is the 5 members that tends to control the 10 members. So, we do not, I still insist, that we are not in 1945. Please let the UN and let the ECOWAS and let the AU learn to understand that Africa today, we are in 2021. There's a different breed of Africans who have the destinies and who still have a future ahead of them to decide their own future in Africa. And this is very important for them to understand that such systems like this will not give Africa, will not retain or how will I call it, or protect the values of the African people. Here we are killing our culture, we are sending away our values when we keep using things that keeps us apart. We do not need structures. As a matter of fact, I still insist, we do not need structures that were not built for the African people. This is very important.
Okay. Thank you very much.